Solana could arrive at an exceptionally possible most certainly high of $36.87 toward the finish of 2023. Solana network certainly has one of the quickest exchange paces and achievement rate when contrasted with its opponent Sol, with a very potential flood could reach as kind of high as $247.13 toward finish of 2030, which is very huge. Solana tokens, with its elating trip in the kind of past in a real sense, is under the for the most part dynamic thought of financial backers and merchants. Howbeit, the consistent downswing has been tragic for not one however a lot. Blockchains for the most part are the foundation of digital currencies in a quite large manner. Subsequently, if you basically need to foster extremely your money, you should work on essentially your blockchain innovation. While the business is as yet shudder following the expansive disturbance, the Sol coin value keeps on excess trapped in an endless cycle. The diligent clog and misfortunes of the organization have been a developing worry for financial backers and merchants, which is very critical in the midst of the heightening include of emergencies in the business, which basically is very huge. What's more, the Binance-Solana debate generally has caused high unpredictability on the lookout, which generally is genuinely huge. Financial backers are worried about the eventual fate of their interests in a sort of huge manner. Will this influence the market in the especially long haul? Is Solana a very wise venture for the future in a very significant manner? Do you certainly hold worries about the possibilities of Solana crypto cost forecast? Stress not, or so they thought, as we decipher Sol cost forecast 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Solana environment was made by Anatoly Yakovenko as certainly strong help to the crypto business. The Solana blockchain cases to have sorted out a method for tackling this issue and vows to offer quicker exchanges with sort of lower expenses. Solana cost expectation for 2023 could go from $22.18 to $36.87 for the year, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Sol value expectation 2023 in an extremely significant manner. The exchange paces and achievement pace of the Solana network especially is currently at standard with some of its opponents in an extremely significant manner. As per Sol output, the achievement pace of Solana's exchanges sort of has decently in a real sense stayed above 75% in most of the cases. This generally comes considering the clog in Solana's organization. In the event that Solana figures out how to cruise across the difficulties of the crypto section, while fixing the agreement issues in a quite enormous manner, the cost of Sol could explicitly heighten upwards of $36.87. On the genuinely flip side, in the event that the resource stays more defenseless against expansion and different tortures, the cost could settle at $22.18, which is genuinely huge. Progressively, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at $29.68. Solana value figure 2024. Toward the finish of 2024, Solana could sort of draw in a truly bunch of tasks to be based on its organization in an unpretentious manner without a doubt, while likewise captivating the making of NFTs. In by and large such a situation, the flourishing client base could animate the cost to a limit of $61.22 in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, a rising rivals and stiffer rivalry could leave the cost abandoned at $36.59, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. That being said, the ordinary cost could generally find its base at $44.31, in spite of mainstream thinking. Solana coin value expectation 2025, which generally is very critical. On the off chance that Solana energizes fresher impending new businesses, it very well may be another contender for genuinely other digital currencies on the lookout. Likewise, before very long, assuming Solana grows out of Ethereum, it could bang at huge highs. On this note, the Sol cost might strike its for the most part greatest at $86.97. New guidelines in the future can torment the cost developments, and in this way a very conceivable low may be close by for Sol, or so they thought. On the off chance that this occurs, a slight pullback can attract Solana to $54.92 toward the finish of 2025. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could land at $70.54. Solana value expectation. Solana's presence in DeFi could push it toward the north cost direction. It could focus on sort of specific coordinated efforts to connect its resources for DeFi. Likewise, its designated marking could draw in a large group of new financial backers. According to plan Sol cost expectation, the cost could flood sort of higher to $36.87 in 2023. Be that as it may, on the exceptionally opposite end, assuming the organization defers the executions in its mainnet beta variant, the cost can flip to lows of $22.18 toward the finish of 2023. What is Solana? The appearance of the organization traces all the way back to 2017, which most certainly is very huge. The organization basically was made by Anatoly Yakovenko and fellow benefactor Greg Fitzgerald. Solana was formed with a dream to enable versatility and exchange speeds, which is genuinely critical. Solana has in every way that really matters come far since its testnet in 2018 to essentially hold critical predominance in utility in an unobtrusive manner by and by. Sol value sort of is as of now up a surprising 18,969.83% since its originally realized sticker price in an unpretentious manner. Polygon cost, close to convention value. Torrential slide cost really are a portion of the top contenders of Solana having comparative innovation. Solana coin verifiable market feeling 2020 to 2021. Solana started its navigate on the 10th of April, with an exchange worth of 79 cents incredibly. In the wake of tumbling to the kind of least of 52 cents, the value rose to 99 cents by June end, and $1.33 by mid-July, or so they thought. Sol took a trip to $3.77 by mid-August, yet a slip carried it to $2.82 by August end in an unpretentious manner. By early September, Sol's cost hit an ATH of $4.84, notwithstanding. The cost endured a shot beginning from October. The disturbance drove the computerized resource for the most part close its yearly exchange at $1.50 in a kind of enormous manner. Sol opened its exchange January at $1.60. An euphoric run prompted Sol guaranteeing $10 by mid-February. In no longer than April, the cost was exchanging the scope of $40 in a significant manner. By May, the cost in a real sense flooded basically near $50 to in a real sense arrive at the ATH of $58.30. Yet the far-reaching crash cut the cost by half in an unpretentious manner. Nonetheless, a DDoS assault in September brought the value down to $132.13, in spite of mainstream thinking, while Sol ran a run to $260.06 on the 6th of November, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Repeating DDoS assaults prompted the truly yearly exchange conclusion at $178.80 in a significant manner. Will Solana most certainly recover its crown of being an Ethereum executioner in a significant manner? Solana, with its assets in essentials, still truly holds huge noticeable quality. All things considered, we can anticipate that its magnificence should sparkle more splendid with goals to deficiencies. In opposition to mainstream thinking, how high could Solana at any point cost in every practical sense go toward the finish of 2023? The advanced resource could flood with respect to all expectations and purposes high as $36.87 toward the finish of 2023. Will the Sol cost generally reach $500 toward 2025 in a significant manner? As per our Solana cost forecast, the altcoin could chug up to $86.97 toward the finish of 2025. With a potential flood, the cost of Sol could arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $247.13 toward the finish of 2030. Will Solana enter the main 5 cryptos as far as market capitalization by 2023? Solana, in every way that really matters, holds the especially